welcome back. Well, you know, no one likes to see their family members in pain, and that includes our fur babies as well. So we're talking about lasers being an option to help treat the pain for cats and dogs. And I have Dr. Elena Lee with the Heart of Texas Veterinary Specialty Center here to talk to us more. Thank you for coming in.
Hi.
And Sam, taking care of Eris. She's our model for the day. Thank you as well. So, I mean, talk to me, what is exactly a laser treatment for dogs or cats?
So laser treatment, basically, most of the things that we'll use it for are like arthritis, painful conditions, post-operative surgeries such as like knee replacements or like knee surgeries of some sort or hip surgeries, fractures are helpful with pain relief afterwards. Also patients that can't afford or have the surgery for other reasons, we can use that for pain relief. Also can be used for wound healing and also things like skin infections and ear infections also. And basically it helps promote healing of the tissues and also can help with pain relief.
What makes it, I mean, why is it a good choice as opposed to doing something else?
A lot of times we'll also do some of the other things too, and this will be an adjunct treatment in addition to it. But like I said, for some certain pain relievers, we can't use them in certain patients because they have either kidney issues or liver issues.
That's true.
Or they don't tolerate them taking them because they'll vomit or things like that.
And this gets right to the point, and it's fairly simple to do on the dog. You actually have the equipment with you?
Yes, this is the laser unit, and this is a probe that we use. There's several probes that can be used for it, and basically what we do is we go to the point. Eris.
So like you have her knee here, like if she had a joint issues, things like that?
So if she has a problem with the knee or anything like that, then, you know, we just kind of go to the point and then I move it around basically.
So what do they feel when you're doing that?
Most of them don't feel anything.
Oh, really?
Sometimes they can feel maybe a small amount of heat or a little bit of the energy from the laser. But
they don't have to be put under or anything for this?
No. I don't have to usually I don't do that generally. Yeah. So sometimes if they have a surgery or anything like that, you know, and you can do some things while they're under, sometimes that works out or if they're waking up. But in general, they can just be here sitting. Usually, so a lot of times they don't have to be restrained at all, or I'll just have the owners hold them, and that's usually all I need.
That's awesome. So you just target whatever area is needed there.
Yes.
Nice. And that's the same thing you said that you have laser acupuncture. So it's like acupuncture but without the needles, pretty much.
Yes. So we can use laser acupuncture. And so basically I have a adapter that I put on top of here, and so it centers basically on the acupuncture points. And what that will do is this way they don't have to stay still as long, because with the needles, we usually like them to stay with the needles in for at least about 10-15 minutes, but some of them don't like to stay still. They like to run around or they shake them out. And so this way they do stay still for the points, but otherwise they can move around, and if we need to take a break, we can do that.
Well, thank you, Eris, for being such a good model for us. You can stand back up unless you want to do the interview down there. Okay. And then I guess the last question I have is, I mean, how many times do they really have to go through this? Is this a yearly treatment? Does it kind of vary from pet to pet?
It varies from pet to pet. Yeah. Initially, I will usually do weekly treatments for about 4 to 6 treatments, sometimes less if they respond faster.
Yeah.
And then I start decreasing it to like every 2 weeks or anything. Every now and then I will have to do twice a week treatments initially if they're really painful. And then sometimes, like if it's a procedure that they've had or it's just like a one-time injury, sometimes they won't need treatment for a while. Sometimes they'll need maintenance for like every month or every couple of months as needed.
Right, which is really cool. I mean, some of them you were saying only need a couple, which is nice if they just have a little knee or shoulder pain. But more information is right there on your screen, and the best way to do it is maybe just come in for a consultation if you think if your pet's had surgery or if they're in pain. This is definitely something that you want to try with them. heartoftexasvets.com. And Dr. Lee, you were saying that even in that first consultation they can do a laser treatment as well, which
yes, I always do a treatment included with the consultation.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for coming in. Sam and Eris, thank you guys as well for coming in.